Learn Hindi for travel. Is there Wi-Fi here? And
क्या यहाँ वाईफाई है?
welcome, brave traveler. Hey, you're about to learn Hindi with a little chaos, a little comedy, and a lot of useful survival phrases. Today, you will sound smarter than a panicking tourist with 1% battery. Imagine this. You arrive in India, your phone is gasping for internet, your backpack zipper has opinions, and your bladder has launched a formal complaint. In moments like these, language becomes your superhero cape. So today you'll learn how to ask,
क्या यहाँ वाईफाई है?
how to announce,
एक समस्या है.
how to panic politely with,
समय नहीं है.
how to ask,
क्या वहाँ शौचालय है?
and how to point triumphantly and say,
वहाँ एक प्रवेश द्वार है.
let the adventure begin. The cafe of great priorities. Let's start where modern civilization truly lives, the cafe. Your mission is simple: get online before your phone becomes a decorative brick. You walk into a cafe and look around like a detective in a low-budget movie. The smell of coffee is strong. The signal is weak. Your confidence is medium. You ask,
क्या यहाँ वाईफाई है?
this means, is there Wi-Fi here? Break it up for your ear.
क्या?
Means the question opener.
यहाँ
Means here, and
है.
means is. Now say it again like you truly need to upload a boarding pass before destiny closes the gate.
क्या यहाँ वाईफाई है?
Funny memory trick. Imagine a giant router wearing sunglasses. Even though it is glowing like a holy object, you still have to ask.
क्या यहाँ वाईफाई है?
Oh, Hindi. Now let's learn the phrase for when things go wrong. Because sometimes travel is not a postcard, sometimes it is a suitcase wheel held together by hope. You open your laptop. It freezes. The cafe music stops. Somewhere, a dramatic drum plays. You whisper.
एक समस्या है.
That means, there is a problem. The key word is,
समस्या.
meaning problem. Say it with a serious face, but not too serious. We are learning, not filming a disaster movie.
एक समस्या है.
Mini scene. The waiter says the Wi-Fi works. Your phone says no. Your soul says yes. Reality says,
एक समस्या है.
no time, only drama. Next comes the phrase every stressed human understands instantly. This one is fast, urgent, and perfect for missing trains, buses, and maybe common sense. You look at the clock. The train leaves in 2 minutes. Your bag is open. One sock is missing. Somehow a snack falls out. You declare,
समय नहीं है.
this means, there is no time. The word
समय
means time and
नहीं.
means not or no. Repeat it with urgency.
समय नहीं है.
Comedy tip. If you have enough time to explain for 10 minutes why you have no time, then maybe, you had some time. Still, the phrase is useful.
समय नहीं है.
The most important question at the station. All right, here comes the real travel survival phrase. Dignity is nice, but a toilet is nicer. You arrive at a busy station. There are signs, crowds, bags, chai, noise, and exactly 0 clear answers. You ask politely.
क्या वहाँ शौचालय है?
This means, is there a toilet? The key noun is,
शौचालय.
meaning toilet or restroom. Notice the location word,
वहाँ.
meaning there. So this is literally asking whether there is a toilet there. Say it once calmly, once urgently, and once like a superhero trying to save the world but first handling personal logistics.
क्या वहाँ शौचालय है?
Found it. Great news. Sometimes travel gives you hope. Sometimes a door appears, and you get to sound wonderfully competent. You and your friend are staring at a wall, convinced the building has eaten the entrance. Then you spot it and say,
वहाँ एक प्रवेश द्वार है.
that means, there is an entrance there. The useful phrase,
प्रवेश द्वार.
means entrance or entrance gate. Say it while pointing ahead.
वहाँ एक प्रवेश द्वार है.
Memory trick. Imagine everyone pushing the wrong wall for 5 full minutes before one genius child points and says,
वहाँ एक प्रवेश द्वार है.
Mini dialogue mayhem. Now you'll hear the phrases inside one silly travel story. Listen like a learner, but enjoy it like a comedy sketch. Traveler. Hello, I have arrived with courage, luggage, and very little planning. First question.
क्या यहाँ वाईफाई है?
Clerk. Yes, but the password is on the wall. Traveler. Wonderful. Wait, my phone is frozen.
एक समस्या है.
Clerk. Try restarting it. Traveler. I would, but my taxi is leaving.
समय नहीं है.
Traveler. Also, one more tiny, extremely important question.
क्या वहाँ शौचालय है?
Clerk. Yes, and.
वहाँ एक प्रवेश द्वार है.
Go through that hallway. Traveler. You are a hero. If I ever write a song about this building, you will be in the chorus. Quick drill. Your turn now. I'll cue the English, and you try the Hindi in your head or out loud before checking. Is there Wi-Fi here?
क्या यहाँ वाईफाई है?
There is a problem.
एक समस्या है.
There is no time.
समय नहीं है.
Is there a toilet?
क्या वहाँ शौचालय है?
There is an entrance there.
वहाँ एक प्रवेश द्वार है.
Tiny culture and usage tips. Before we finish, here are a few real-world tips to make your Hindi sound more natural and useful. Small details can make a big difference. In cafes, hotels, and stations, practical questions are normal. Asking,
क्या यहाँ वाईफाई है?
is completely useful and common. If something goes wrong,
एक समस्या है.
sounds clear and neutral. It is helpful when explaining an issue calmly. If you are in a rush,
समय नहीं है.
is short and direct. Use it when the moment really is urgent, not just when you do not want to answer emails. For facilities,
क्या वहाँ शौचालय है?
is polite and practical. And for directions,
वहाँ एक प्रवेश द्वार है.
is great when helping someone find the way in. Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You made it through Wi-Fi panic, toilet strategy, and entrance discovery without losing your sense of humor. That is excellent progress. Today you learned 5 useful Hindi travel phrases.
क्या यहाँ वाईफाई है? एक समस्या है. समय नहीं है. क्या वहाँ शौचालय है?
And,
वहाँ एक प्रवेश द्वार है.
thank you for listening and practicing with me. Keep repeating the phrases out loud, use them in little imaginary travel scenes, and come back again soon. Your Hindi is growing, one brave sentence at a time.